Striim is excited to announce Striim Cloud Mission Critical, the industry's first unified data streaming and analytics platform designed to power mission-critical data and AI applications at massive scale with a simple, fully managed service. In a matter of clicks, you can launch an infinitely scalable distributed data streaming pipeline with high availability and resilience to failure, providing maximum uptime for your critical business operations. In this version of Striim, you can deploy applications across all nodes, dynamically scale your implementation by adding nodes to clusters, and intelligently balance your data loads. This solution offers a higher SLA guarantee for infrastructure and pipelines with unprecedented speed and simplicity. In this demo of our premium solution, you will see all of these features come together to showcase the power that Striim Cloud Mission Critical can deliver to your organization. To get started, we have created a Striim Cloud Mission Critical service. For the purposes of this demo, we have created a service with 2 nodes and started running the service. On the monitoring page of this service, you are able to review the memory and CPU utilization of your service. On the homepage of Striim Cloud, you can review your clusters and their health status. To do further monitoring on your service, you can run queries directly in the Striim console. Now we will review the applications we have created for the Striim Cloud Mission Critical service, deploy, and start them. When deploying your applications, you will see that you can deploy on any one node, which allows Striim to intelligently load balance your applications based off of the resources and number of applications in the service. We will repeat this deployment process on 2 applications. Once you have your applications running, you can monitor the status of them in the Striim console. As you have different applications or needs within your business, you can return to the home screen of your Mission Critical service, select More, and resize nodes. This can be done concurrently with already deployed applications, all without stopping them. You will see as we make the update, the service will resize automatically. As you can see, there are now 3 nodes in the cluster. You can review the impacted changes on the monitor page for your service or in the console directly. Now we will deploy and run a 3rd application in the cluster. We will select the same settings for deployment. Once the application is running, we will verify the performance of the cluster in both the console and the monitor page. You can see in the console that one of the nodes has failed, and the monitor page shows that it has gone offline. Although one of the nodes is offline, we will verify that all applications are still running by checking the console. As you can see, all 3 applications are still running across the other 2, currently working nodes. The applications have been automatically distributed to the other 2 running nodes. Now we will simulate another node failure, reducing this cluster to 1 running node. All 3 applications have been moved over to the remaining running node and are still running as expected. As nodes come back online, they are dynamically added back to the cluster. In this case, 1 node came back online, and we can see which applications have been moved to the node and automatically load balanced by the service. Lastly, we can see that all 3 of the nodes in the cluster are back online. You will see as nodes come back online, the service automatically load balances and adjusts the applications accordingly. This demo has shown the highly available and resilient features of our Striim Cloud Mission Critical product. Thanks for watching.